Going to do a short video on an irrigation, a drip line spool that we made. Man, it was a pain to undo this drip line, so we watched a couple of the videos and we decided to make our own. And you can see it worked like a charm. So we just finished this whole field in 2 days, and I'm going to show you what I did real quick. Alright, at the top of the spool, we got a Lowe's bucket, 85-gallon bucket, piece of plywood. We screwed the bucket to the plywood with really short, I think half-inch screws. Let me pull this off and show you what's underneath. So underneath we had an electric line spool. It's kind of small to roll out electric wire, so we used that. Underneath it we added a piece of PVC. I think it was 1.25 inches or 1.25 inch, about an inch long, to raise it up. Depending on what you do, we drilled some holes here and then zip tied this. I don't guess you'd have to have these, but it does kind of make it a little more stable, I think. And then the bucket just fits on top of the handle, which I kind of like because you can take it off and turn the bucket upside down and use it for your tools when you're done. So feel free to pause and check this out. Hope this helps you with your drip line installation.